Today's photoshoot is inspired by the whales that my sister created. She painted it, she cut it, it's so nice. And I was thinking how we can create set around this whale. So I decided to do deep blue background, and I'm gonna put here mirror so it will be reflecting and imagine like a water. If you are new to my channel, my name is Olga and I'm a photographer from Sacramento. So let's build the set together. We're gonna start from this blue background, deep blue. I'm gonna put this mirror on the bottom so it can be imaginary water here. So we're gonna create here imaginary waves. We're gonna jump it and create it looking different, so it's not all straight and boring. Waves look so good, deep blue looks so good. Now it's time to add some feel of ocean. And doing that, I'm gonna use those backgrounds. Those are floods from Baby Dream, and this color really reminds me of deep ocean. So I think it's gonna be perfect here. I love that. I think it looks amazing. So it's time to add our another details. Okay, let's continue create our set. This is a whale that we got inspiration from, and Oksana created all of those paper boats. So cool. And the birds. Those little birds. How cute are those? I love it. This bird is so cute, Ksyuha. I love it. Good job. Perfect. It's not staying. Okay, we need another plan. Oh, perfect. So we put an apple box behind mirror, and our whale is staying. Plus it's adding some dimensions. I like it. Space for a bird. This is the one. Perfect. Ooh! So we're gonna use a clear string to put our birds, making them flying. And now our bird is flying. I'm going to use today my Nikon Z8 and 24-70 the lens. All light I have is Photo, and we're gonna go capture one. Tether tool cable going to help us to transfer it. Okay, and we are ready to do our first test. As a light setup, we have 4 light setup today. First one, we using this one as a bare bulb, direct light on a model and more to reflect it. It's implementing like it's a middle of the daylight, really harsh. Then we have this one with a blue gel and zoom on it to have more blue, like an ocean vibe. We have also softbox that's going to be her hair light model, gonna be sitting in here, and this is gonna be her hair light. And also we have bare bulb here as well. It's gonna be a reflection, so we have some reflection going on a background, implementing like a water reflection, middle of the day style. Let me introduce you my model Oksana today. As an outfit, we have total Zara look, shorts from Zara. I think this top is perfect for the set we have today. Really have ocean vibes. Are you ready? Let's start it. Enjoying the sun time. Love that. You like, okay, look, you doing this leg up? Yes. And you like, you can do it like this. Yeah, that's perfect, yes. Okay. 1, 2, and go. Yes. Awesome. And yes, stay there. Perfect. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Yes. And stay normal. Yes. And 1, 2, and 3. Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Looking at me. Happy. Yes. Chin up. And with one hand, like put glasses. Perfect. Yay! Okay, we got it. Okay, so put your hand a little bit, not so close to your body, because when it's close to your body, it's making you bigger. So we're putting it a little bit. next set, we're gonna use ninja smoke. We're gonna add this to make it look like she's in a fog somewhere, maybe like morning fog on the ocean. We're using remote to have a smoke going on all the time. And it's a lot of smoke in the studio right now. 1, 2, and go. Yes, руку сверху. Perfect. Perfect. I like it. So good. Smile. Yes. As a lighting setup, we're using a ski light softbox on her face from a side, and we're using zoom with blue gel to make the scene look blue and night looking. Also, I'm going to use a fan to blow her hair like it's windy outside, and I'm going to use this smoke and control it with a remote to make it like really dreamy night kind of scene. Now you're gonna be sitting in here and you're gonna put down to the waist. Just tiny bit, perfect. And look. Love it. Nice. Okay. Look at the bird. Perfect. Nice. Here is good. Look there. Perfect. Beautiful. Very nice. Let me show you images, how it looks like. Wow! Isn't it cool? It looks like it's a nighttime. I like it more than day. Okay, comment below what do you like more, day or night for this set. That's a wrap. We did 2 different lighting scenarios here. I really love both of them. I have my favorite, my model has her favorite. Comment below which one is your favorite. I'm really happy with the result. I will post all pictures so you can see, and I would love to hear your opinion. What do you think, guys, if you like it or not? And if you like it, please comment below and subscribe, and see you next one.